All right, thank you. Before we get going, a couple of safety rules. Please remain seated at all times. Please don't drop the cards back on the floor. Please keep your arms and feet etc. Then you have the cards at all times. Okay, you see your guys on the knees against the left side and the card. We always put some signals. We will get out of the